Okay, now to calibrate the dissolved oxygen, you need to ensure your temperature is correct as per the first step, and make sure that you're in the right measurement mode. To change this, simply hit Menu, Mode, Oxygen, and you can read ppm, percent saturation, percent gas, or ppm salinity. We will calibrate in percent saturation, and you can change it at any point. Take the probe, keep it with its wetting cap on to make sure that it stays nice and steady at all times, and also you will need your solution prepared. To prepare your solution, simply add 2 grams of the sodium sulfite to 100 milliliters of water. This solution, once mixed, will last an extremely long time, so there's no need to do a new mix every single time you calibrate. To calibrate, take the probe, remove the wetting cap, give a slight rinse, and place directly into your solution and give a slight swilling. This process does take a while for the probe to stabilize. As you can see, it is slowly trickling down here. It will take a while to do, depending on the age of your probe. Once you see the numbers beginning to stabilize and or stopping, simply push your menu button, calibrate, oxygen, ensure that it is saying 0, and wait for the reading to roughly be around the 5% range. Anything higher will cause the probe to fail. As you can see, as it dials into these lower readings, it does take a longer while. A slight swilling may increase the speed. Now the probe is in range and it is correctly displaying 0. You can hit enter. You'll see that the calibration is okay, and the meter will ask you to air calibrate. To do this with the most efficiency, simply remove your probe from the solution, give a good rinse and a wipe with a tissue or cloth of any type. Then apply the wetting cap again, as this gives the most stable reading. Again, it's going to take a while to get back up to where you want it to be. In the meantime, push the menu, calibrate, oxygen, and you'll see it in air mode now, and simply give it more time to get back up to near the calibration point of 100%. As you can see, the probe has come up to a point where it will calibrate. You simply hit the enter button and see that your span is roughly above 90%. This calibration process is possible to do in any of the other oxygen modes, and your probe will now perform as it should.